Hello, I'm Dr. Jeenam Shah, and today we are going to be learning about dry powder inhalers. So what you need to understand is DPI are a form of inhalers where there are two components. One is the capsule, if you can see, that contains powder, and second component is going to be a inhaler device that can be either a rotahaler, it can be a loopy haler, it can be a revolizer, or it can be a lot of other companies have different devices to be taken. So let's go across how to take those medicines. First of all, take the capsule. In case of a rotahaler, there is a mouthpiece, there is a rota cap hole, and there is a base. So with the transparent part down, which contains the powder, put it inside that hole and rotate it. So you can see that the two parts are got divided. Then you need to understand how to take it. First of all, sit upright, sit straight, and gently tilt your head backside. Then keep it in the mouth. You will get some powdery sensation in your mouth. What you need to do is put some water, rinse and gargle and spit it out. If you need to take the second capsule, you can put it again in the same thing. Similarly, this is a device where you can open it. There's a slot for the capsule to be put it inside, and then you need to crush the tablet, and then again the same procedure of inhaling. Similarly is this revolizer, which has a slot for the capsule, which you put it inside, close it, and then again inhale it. So different companies have different inhalers, but the concept is the same. If you want to take the second capsule, wait for a minute, then again put it inside and then again inhale it. Remember to gargle every time after using this inhaler. Inhalers needs to be cleaned every weekly once. So open the components, put it in running water, let it air dry, and then you can again, after drying, you can use it again. The inhalers needs to be changed every 6 monthly so that they maintain their efficacy. So there are two types of DPIs. One are the single dose DPI, and there are others are multi-dose DPI, which have capsules which are preloaded. Today we learned about how to use a single dose DPI. If you have any questions regarding how to use a DPI, please put it in the comment box. We will be happy to answer those questions.